As I promised you all, I'm back with clove oil. Let's make it. Now, I buy my cloves at the bulk section at Winco. If you don't have a Winco nearby, whichever store you find, or just buy it online. And I'm using here a whole cup, and we're going to turn this into a powder, but not a fine powder. It doesn't have to be this consistency that you're looking at right now. I'm going to show you closer inside the jar. It just makes it easier to extract the oils from the clove. As you see here, see, it's not fine at all. So I fill the jar halfway with the clove powder, and I complete the rest with oil. In this case, I'm using grapeseed oil. I think it's a wonderful oil for clove oil, but you can use olive if you prefer. 3 hours on high in a double boil here in your slow cooker, and 6 hours on low. I do this process twice, okay? So 2 days. And now it's ready to go. Super easy. All you need is a flour sack towel, a strainer, and we got our oil ready to go. Do you know how expensive clove oil has become in the last 5 years or so? It's just too much, and you can make this at home. Now, please remember, this is very important. Clove oil is very potent, so when you squeeze the oil out, make sure you either wear gloves or you wash your hands very well, because if you touch your eyes or your lips, your nose is going to burn. Now, I prefer using a dropper bottle. Now, if you don't have these, just transfer to another mason jar, but I highly recommend using these. It's just very convenient. Let's get to the benefits and why you should have clove oil in your medicine cabinet. Number one reason, which is very popular, it is for your oral health. What you see right here on my hands are coconut oil pulling tablets. I already showed you how to make these right here on my channel, and you can add the clove oil into this recipe. Even though I used peppermint essential oil, you can use clove oil with coconut oil as well for oil pulling. Bleeding gums, toothache, periodontal disease, bad breath, or even if the nerve is exposed. This is a natural analgesic. This is great for pain. It is also antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory. So again, wonderful for the health of your mouth. And talking about pain, clove oil can be used to make a wonderful pain salve. You can make a healing salve for pain, whether if it's muscle, joint, nerve, even migraines. This is just a wonderful oil to have at home. Clove oil can also assist with any sort of fungus on your scalp, on your feet, on your toes. Bug bites. It's also a natural repellent. I mean, flies hate the smell of cloves, so you can use this to make candles as well, or a natural repellent. And even after you've been bit, you can add onto your skin the irritated area, and it will soothe as well. Menstrual cramps and bloating. This is why I love using this oil with a castor oil pack routine. So during my menstrual cycle, I do a lot of castor oil packs, or if you're someone who has issues with your gallbladder, or you tend to bloat after meals, just in general, if you do castor oil packs, this would be great to mix with castor oil. This is also a beauty oil. This is great for acne, for fine lines, wrinkles, stretch marks, cellulite, scarring. This is also great for hair growth and the health of your scalp. So ladies, you definitely need to have clove oil at home. And finally, as an intake, if you don't want to take the tincture, you can eat this oil. This would be a great option for those who don't want to take the tincture because the alcohol content in it. Just make sure you dilute it. It is very spicy, and make sure that the oil that you use to make clove oil, it is food grade, because some oils say it's just for cosmetics, so it has to be food grade oil. And not to make this video longer than it is already, there are multiple benefits that are already posted on my tincture recipe video on the benefits of intake of cloves, so you can go back there for respiratory health. So you can add this onto your chest. You have a lot of congestion, if you're wheezing and it hurts a lot when you cough, you can add this onto your chest and just put a towel on top and then the blanket over. This can help decongest your lungs, and also for sinus infection. But please do not let this oil touch inside your nose or near your eyes. So you just massage this area right here I'm showing you to bring relief and to get all the mucus out. And I could not forget this one very important benefit. Your love life. Clove is a natural aphrodisiac, so this can boost your libido and also may assist with erectile dysfunction. No, you don't add the oil on it. Please don't. You just consume the tincture or the oil. With that being said, I will come back with more recipes.